Hi guys, Monday, February 22nd, 2021. We're back and you know I'm here, so you know what that means. Got some issues. I had a flashing green, flashing red here. Went online, got some tips. Could be the igniter, could be the flame sensor. Flame sensor is here. Now I cleaned that off a while back. I also cleaned the igniter. Should have touched that, but now I went to go turn the heat up and the unit wouldn't come on. So came down, saw the codes, and I saw alternating flash, 1 hour lockout. But I went online and some people said change the igniter, change the flame sensor. Some people changed their board. Someone else said you turn it off for maybe about a minute and it'll reset the code. So let's see what happens. I'm going to, and this is that safety switch I was telling you guys about a while back. I just want to see if at least the motor will come on here. And here's another switch. Well, I just tested it myself. The lights were on and there was no flash. So I guess maybe resetting it helped. Let's see, I don't have, let's see here. I'll use this too. I'm trying to show you guys. Let's see here. Okay, we got that there. And then we'll turn on. So, no flash whatsoever. That's what you want to see. I don't have the heat on. Upstairs, I turned it down. So let's take a second, go up and turn it up. Okay guys, I turned the thermostat up. Well, first I had to turn it back on. 67 degrees in the house now. Turned the thermostat up to 69. So let's give this a try. Again, I'm just trying to test it. Sticking me real good. I'm just trying to show you guys. Okay, we're gonna turn this on. And now the motor is coming on. So, okay. So, turning it off and turning it back on could work. There is again, the code here. Alternating flash, 1 hour lockout. But what I think I'll end up doing is eventually, soon and very soon, I might get the board replaced. I was already gonna replace the igniter and flame sensor. So what I'll do is I'll leave the unit off for another hour and don't run it so much and see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys, we had some bad weather across the country. Hopefully Texas in other parts of the country and everywhere else in the world. We hope to see things get better real soon. Okay. You guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.